India, number one. India, number one. America, up your ass.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Locker Room Interviews. And they don't want to know who you are. They want to know who this handsome guy is. And everybody knows who I am. The interplanetary champion and the one-half holder of the Universal Championship. See, and, who made the pin? Who got the belts? Me. I got the belts. You know what? I deserve to get the title match with the champion. Me. That's who. Get out of my way. I'm going to do it myself. Gee. I certainly hope he gets the match. Now, let's see who our next guest will be. Oh my goodness! Oh, it's a monster! No! Oh my goodness! It's getting worse and worse every day. Oh, they killed the chair. Hope we get that title match.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is for the Universal Championship title. In this corner, we have the challenger, weighing in at 465 pounds. But I don't want to wrestle.